and welcome back to Erika's Best. I'm Erika, and today I'm here to tell you all about this guy. This guy right here. It's a purple sweet potato. This one, the sticker on it says Frida's Stokes Purple Sweet Potato. And I first came in contact with this over the Thanksgiving holiday. I was shopping in one of my favorite stores and I saw a display. And so I thought, I wonder how would sweet potato pie made with purple sweet potatoes taste? And so I decided to give it a try. So I bought some purple sweet potatoes, and some people who tasted it who don't like sweet potato pie loved the purple sweet potato pie. The purple sweet potato is a little bit sweeter. The flesh is purple, so when you cut into it, you will see purple flesh, and when you cook it, it is purple. I have here one of my ooey gooey butter bars, and I put a layer of the sweet potatoes in the middle of it and made this a purple sweet potato ooey gooey butter bar. And I took some to my church yesterday, and everyone absolutely loved it. This can be eaten baked, it can be eaten fried, it can be eaten boiled, it can be eaten in savory or sweet dishes. And just a little bit about the purple sweet potato: it is highly nutritious. The one difference between this purple sweet potato and the regular sweet potatoes that you buy in the store is this one is more starchy. So if you want to use it in a dish like a sweet potato pie or something like that, you need to boil this to boil some of the starch off. I made a mistake and I tried to make a purple sweet potato cake, and I used some baked sweet potatoes. I did not boil them, I baked them, and I mashed them up, and I just added some of that mashed sweet potato into the cake, and yeah, my cake was raw. So it did not allow the cake to bake properly because of all that added starch. So the next time when I try it, and I am going to try it again, and when I do, I will bring that to you. But you need to bake it and boil it and get some of the starch off. But these are highly nutritious. Just a few facts that I found online. It is a great source of potassium, vitamin C. It has it's low calories and it is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, which helps keep your cells healthy. It boosts iron absorption, and it protects your DNA from damage. It is a starchy vegetable, but it is rich in carbs, potassium, vitamin C, and phytonutrients, all of which are important for maintaining good health. Another important health fact that this may reduce the growth of certain types of cancer, including colon cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer. But I am not a medical professional. I just found some information online. And another thing it may help with lowering your blood sugar if you have type 2 diabetes. But always consult your physician when you are adding something to your diet to change something. It may also help with lowering blood pressure, and it also says it may help with symptoms of asthma. I tried it for the first time. I saw it, and you should try it too. You know, I'm gonna cut it open so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Hold on one second. Okay, so I just wanted to cut into this so you can see what it looks like. And you cut into it. It's so pretty. Such a pretty color, purple. You know, there's so many different vegetables and fruits with all these different vibrant colors. And they say you should eat fruits and vegetables with all different colors, not just one. And so here's another way to get some purple. And that's what it looks like when you cut it open. You see that vibrant purple inside that flesh. And it cooks. When it cooks, it stays this same purple. In fact, it gets even darker. As you can see in this cooked pastry, it's dark. It gets a little bit darker when you cook it. But that's just like a little health tip, a little tip from something that I just saw, and I wanted to share it with you guys so that you can see it too. I bought these at my local Sprouts, and so if you have a Sprouts near you, you may be able to find them there too. But the brand name that this is sold under is Frieda's, Friedas Stokes, Stokes, purple sweet potato. So look for that. You probably could Google it to find out where else you can purchase those at. So thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And please share this with your friends. Somebody might like to see what they can do with the purple sweet potato, what kind of dishes they can cook with it. Maybe it'll be good in a curry or in some other dish. Maybe a scallop potato type dish with a white sauce on it. I don't know. You try it for yourself and see what you can come up with. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.